Rotted Bumberclarted, Truth Bombs Tonight. We're listening to Warbringer with their album Wrath and Ruin. This entire list through goes out to Extreme Aggression, who recommended this over on the Patreon. This one's the Jackhammer. Let's go! Shout out to all the moshers. Apparently there's a good breakdown in here, the comment section says. I'll be the judge of that.
Nothing left to say. Swing the hammer away.
Do you know who they were trying to be there? That was influenced by Power Trip. That was influenced by Executioner's Tax, Swing of the Axe. Wow!
Nothing left to say. Swing the hammer away.
Swing of the wow! Great tune, that.
Underneath the broken freeway, ashes of the ruined city. The law protects no one today. The hammer is your fate. Underneath the broken freeway, ashes of the ruined city. The law protects no one to die. The hammer is your fate.
Reasonable tune, reasonable tune, reasonable. There's been better tracks on the record so far, but I want a bad number, Through a Glass Darkly coming up next.